Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you are new. So let's learn on how you can put your TikTok account on private mode. What you have to do, you go to your account and then you click on edit profile. Under edit profile, you'll see all those. Then you click on settings and privacy. After that, you have to click on privacy. You'll see that button that is grayish. You click it so that it can be blue. That way you'll have made your account to be private. If you go back, you will see that your account is now a private account. Now, if you want to edit it back to public, you still go to edit profile and then you go to settings and privacy and then you click on privacy and then you unbutton, like you click on that private account button and then you click on switch. That way you'll have switched your account from private to public. Now if you go back again, you will see that your account is no longer private, it is now open to the public. So that's how you can switch your account from private to public and public to private.